What's up guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm taking you with to go see the developments on the house. The contractor has actually made quite a lot of progress because I talk to him like almost every day and he updates me. So we're going to see the progress so far, and also I have to go to Builders Warehouse. Apparently they're having a massive sale. He's the one, actually the contractor is the one that told me to go to Builders and buy furnishings for the bathrooms. Unfortunately I can't send him because taste is very different. Our tastes are very different, so he prefers to, when coming to furnishings, he prefers for the clients to actually go in and buy them, and also they are not included in the contract. So he's doing everything, paint, literally everything. Everything is included in the contract just to avoid having to be running around buying paint, colors, doing color matches, looking at flooring, etc. So we've decided not to do tiles. Of course, we're just going to do tiles in the bathrooms. However, for the entire house, we're going to do wooden floor, including the kitchen. We're going to do wooden floor. I'm in between beige and dark gray basically, for the wooden floor, but he said that he's going to get me samples, so we will decide on the flooring color. But like I said, between beige and dark gray, not dark gray but like a light gray, I'll have to decide. And yeah, so guys, that's what we are up to today. So let's go to the house to look at the developments, and when we are done, we will go to Builders Warehouse. We're actually going to Builders Warehouse. We're going to a place that sells bathroom furnishings as well. It's in Deco Park. They are slightly expensive, but their stuff, quality. If you're looking for quality, certainly go there. And we're also going to Leroy Merlin. Once we are done with Leroy Merlin, we'll go to some cheap place in Randburg, guys. Apparently, they sell taps and stuff, and also sell basins. But a friend of mine actually discouraged me. She was like, "No, don't go there. You're not going to be happy. Within 2 months, your stuff is going to just look. They'll have that cheap feel." But I was just like, let me quench this thing that I have in me, so that let me just go there and actually see for myself. That's the only way I'm going to quench that eagerness, that FOMO that I have. So we're going to Builders, Leroy Merlin, Decofan, and we're also going to the place in Randburg. So 4 places. So yeah, come with me. Okay.
I've been thinking about this fashion.
Sendela yona ne? Ke picture e then give me this beige. It's too light.
Yeah, this one is too light.
Yeah.
Because beze nje sebezofaka azakabi ile.
As
Bese zofakwa ngama-price.
okay. Next week listen to it. Yeah, I think this in chrome or silver is actually 3.5, I think. I wonder if they can mount it up because this is a bit low. My hubby and I are very tall. Honestly guys, I feel like Builders doesn't have like loads of options. But yeah, something like this, I like it. I like it in silver for the guest bathroom, or even in black. Oh. This might also be perfect for my son's bathroom. Then we can put towels at the bottom. I think this one. Oh. So I've just come to another place at Decofan. This place like sells bathroom stuff as well. It's called Bathroom Fusion, luxury bathroom solutions. So yeah, let's go in.
You're not cleaning their toilet.
Yeah.
So using something really harsh to clean them with.
Yeah,
Then
that's when it starts
then
wearing.
it can happen. It doesn't really matter which brand it is.
Okay.
But if you take appropriate care of the taps, to be
So-
perfectly, I wouldn't worry.
Okay, so in the long run it would wear, but it won't be as bad.
Even a chrome tap is
But that's the thing, chrome doesn't wear. Even if it wears over, over a period of time, it's not as visible as a normal.
It could be nice, but this idea is different.
I like this.
Especially if you've got black. And you
Yeah.
like the wood, if you've got black and you want to wood look,
I like this.
and maybe those chrome and black taps will just break a little bit.
Yes.